Having a slow cooker can help save time and energy when cooking. You don't have to watch over a stove or oven. The slow cooker doesn't heat up your whole house and it doesn't use much electricity. Great slow cooker recipes don't require much prep work and can provide you with several servings of delicious home-cooked meals. Lots of the meals you already make on the stove can easily be turned into a slow cooker recipe. For this recipe, you'll need 1 pound chicken breast or thighs, 1 can of corn, 1 can of black or pinto beans, 1 medium onion, 2 or 3 bell peppers, 4 or 5 tomatoes or a can of diced tomatoes, 1 or 2 jalapenos, 1 tomatillo, fresh lime or lime juice, and seasonings of your choice like garlic powder, cumin, chili powder, cayenne, paprika, or your favorite taco blend will all go great with this dish. For homemade salsa, finely chop the onion, peppers, tomatoes, jalapenos, and tomatillo and combine them into a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of lime juice and seasoning to taste. Add your chicken, corn, and beans into a crock pot. Pour the salsa mixture over the top. You can save some of the salsa for later or use the whole bowl. Cook the chicken, beans, and vegetables in the slow cooker on high for 3 to 4 hours or low for 6 to 8 hours. Make sure the chicken is tender and cooked thoroughly, or use a meat thermometer to ensure the inside of the meat has reached 165 degrees Fahrenheit. You can serve this chicken and vegetables over a bed of lettuce for a Southwestern style salad, or you can shred the tender chicken with forks in the slow cooker to serve over corn or whole wheat tortillas as shredded chicken tacos. Garnish the dish with fresh cilantro, shredded lettuce, and a sprinkle of cheese. Here's a tip. While homemade salsa tastes great, you can also look for jarred salsa at the store to use instead. Be sure to choose products with low sodium and no added sugar.